I changed the setup on the table. It's funny to see them like not so sure about that. I didn't want to have all the seed down on the table. That is a white-breasted nuthatch. That's what that bird was that just came. I finally know its proper name. And yes, this is a grackle. I think this sparrow is a female house sparrow. She gonna be bold enough? Will she jump in the box? They were just going to town on the stuff on the table, and it was getting everywhere. It's okay. They'll get used to it. Chipping sparrow. Yes, I'm learning all of their names. That's a chipping sparrow, I believe. Happy days, happy days.